All right. Let me see what's going on in the stars, Aries. What's going on today? I don't know. Now, I used to do this a lot, but I don't know. I feel compelled to see what's going on in the stars. What's happening in astrology? What's happening astrologically? Right now is one of the most pivotal astrological weeks of the year, marked by Barbot's basket. Now I don't know if I'm saying it right, but you can also look this up. Now a rare configuration where Jupiter, Pluto, Uranus, and Neptune align. Okay. And this signals a monumental, hopeful, and transformative paradigm shift. Now it says the sky features three massive, fast moving shifts designed to ignite your passion and lift the fog. Now it says Leo season begins. Mercury direct, Saturn retrograde. Let me see. Now I don't know what the hell that was that just moved. And I'm the only damn person that's in here, but it was like something moved. What the hell was that? Now I don't know, but anyway, let's see what's going on. I don't know what that was. Hey, look at Leo. Hold on, let me see something, y'all. Let me see, hold on. July 22nd. And this is definitely Leo's ruling planet, the sun. And today is the 21st. Alright? And then on the 23rd, Mercury stations direct. So it's finally ending. And Saturn is on the 26th. And Saturn goes retrograde in Aries. Now, you know that retrogrades is all about reviews and things of that nature. It's Mercury retrograde right here. And it's so crazy. I was just thinking about that. Now, on Aquarius, we have, on the July 29th, we have a full moon. And 29 being very auspicious. And I know that it means things going to actually have a good turnout. Because right here in Aquarius with the full moon, Aquarius is all about enlightenment. And 29 degrees is like, starting out at 1. Because they only go up to 29 degrees and then back to 1, not to 30. All right? So this is good. This is good. This is good. All right? And look who here. Now, something major is about to take place because I don't know what made me actually look that up. Now, this is also Aries energy because, he's the first house. The sun is the first house, is in the first house. But it's usually your sun sign, how you show up. And I don't know what's going on here. Now, this is, the Matrix card. It's the Hierophant. He represents spiritual beliefs and systems and things of that nature right here on this realm. He's the physical. Now, they right here next to each other. Now, I don't know why I put the sun back, but let me take it back out. Now, what's behind this one? Okay. Now, behind this one is the Leo, the soul, the spirit. Could have something to do with this card right here. Injustice. He is looking at that. Balance. The inner child. Let me see. And what's behind this one? Okay, Scorpio transformation. Now, there's a lot of transfer of wealth going on. It is. And especially when it comes to the black community in regards to the boycott that's going on with Asia. Now, it was something. Now, we don't do a lot of politics over here, but I do think that this is worthy of speaking about. Now, something that Trump just did in regards to visas. And I told y'all a long time ago that you ain't got to go home, but you got to get the fuck up out of here. Now, that may sound insensitive, and I told you I understand that people are on different spectrums. The experience it is when it comes to immigration. And if you ain't walking in my goddamn shoes, I don't give a damn about how you feel about it. I really don't. Because I'm not, sacrificing myself for some damn body else. Because a lot of people that, destiny swap with our black asses long enough. Okay? And if you have a problem with race relations, sometimes being brought up, and I know that a lot of times people want to say that we're all the same, but my ancestors and some people's ancestors are not the fucking same. Yeah, our experiences are very different. Okay? And everybody have to wake up, take the blinders off, and take accountability for what your ancestors did. And the same goes for over here. Because just like yours, some people's ancestors, listen, we don't need to go through it all. But y'all know damn well what I'm talking about. But anyway, there's some shit changing around here. Now the Hermit want to show up, so let's look at him for a minute, and yeah, discovering some truths here. And sometimes people may be a little sensitive to the truth, but fuck that. Ain't nobody got time to be around here, calling in you, because it's hurting your goddamn feeling. The truth hurts, goddamn it. But anyway, there's an action, and this is the fire horse. And this has a lot to do with those solar flares. And the more that, people wake up, the more we omit that heat. Now, I don't know if you're black or you're not, but sometimes when we get in the room and they say, we don't need the water to let this motherfucker burn, because when we get together, we burn the roof off the motherfucker. You ever heard when niggas get together and shit get hot? We be turned up, we be lit. That's what's going on right here. That's what's going on around here. Now, restrictions. We just seen that. And this is, some type of communication. And it's in reverse. Now, it's giving me, again, I said that transfer of worth. Because this is the reversal. Yeah. And this is 9 wands. What goes around comes around. All those return senders. All that shit that, it is this baby. Spirit gave me a download the other day, even though they hijacked that Bible and put all that spell work, all that motherfucking shit that they put in there meant for them, what they think, a lot of people read it as like it's being spoken word towards, the chosen. Nah. Yeah, but see, that shit about to backfire. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's about to backfire. Oh, it's about to backfire. Now, we got 3 cards here, and we're going to take them all out. This is going to be the last card. And it's gifts. And I told you, it's a transfer of wealth. Now, you see, the curious card, sometimes it's delayed news, but that sun, it's the return of the sun. About to get lit. You about to get those downloads. This is spirit. This is the real. This is the true source of energy. Not the fucking sun, a man, but the sun. And there you go right there. See, this is harmony. Domestic harmony. This is the action being taken, That delayed news, curiosity, the shit, the rumors, the gossip, it's all true. All the conspiracy theories that they told you was about to happen is happening. Yeah, I told you. While they was around here making you barbecue, eating your black ass and shit like that right there, yeah, it's a whole, the Big Mama is coming for their ragged ass. Yeah. And there you go. You ain't got to go home, but you got to get the fuck up out of here. I told you, everybody's going home to where they belong. Everybody. You got to go home. You gotta go home. You can run, but you can't hide. That's why they around here building all those, tunnels and, underground bunkers and shit like that right there. But bitch, the only way you can sustain life on this planet is through the sun. Yeah, if there's no sun, you'll die. You can't fake the funk for too long. Okay? Now, here's some clarity coming for your ass. It's with the sun. And I told you, what goes around comes around. Give me my money, bitch. I told you, Big Mama ain't playing around this motherfucker. Who that? That's Empress energy. Yeah, there you go right there. You ain't got to go home, but you got to get up out of here. There's Scorpio. Yes. He represents that. Pluto, death, transformation, review. All you motherfuckers is under judgment around this motherfucker. The fuck up out of here. Acting like, bygones just be bygones. No, bitch, you gotta pay for what you done. You gotta pay for what you done. All the blind eyes that act like shit wasn't going on. Oh, that wasn't my experience. We don't give a fuck about just your experience, bitch. The general consensus. Now that's the Emperor. And he's in reverse. With the page. You see the delayed news and shit like that. But let me see. Yeah, it's something coming full circle. That is your energy. But again, people that had empires, now it could go both ways. Because there's an action being taken on this energy right here. in regards to this emperor. Their delayed news. This is your news as well. And I'm telling you, you're about to get clarity. You see, there's the moon. Something's being revealed. Oh, that's the Lover's card. Adam and Eve, 666. Yeah, the angels. Yeah, angels, same thing. But this is your inner child. And there's the money. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, see the judgment. This is Maya energy walking with you. I'm telling you, just listen. Pay attention to what the hell going on. Do not get rocked back to goddamn sleep messing around with these fake ass stories in the media when it comes to all this, rage baiting. Yeah. All of them is going to get it. All the gatekeepers, all of them going to get it. Boo. Don't get caught up in these fake ass spiritualists out here in these goddamn streets. Keep your head on the swivel. If people don't want to hear about the truth, tell them fuck them and keep it moving, all right? Now, there's a tower coming. And it's right here next to this, and this is, again, our heat. This is our energy. And I told you, the roof. And this is you telling everybody that don't belong here on your motherfucking land, bye-bye. Get the fuck up out of here. You ain't got to go. But you got to leave here, boo. You got to go. Now, I'm not saying that this shit is going to happen overnight, but it's happening. It's happening. The respect, the boundary must be met. They must be met. Now, when you go out here and you wipe all these motherfucking Asians up out the communities and shit like that, don't let nobody else infiltrate those motherfuckers. That go for everybody. Everybody across the board, you pull all your money and all your power back from their ass. I'm telling you, it's a new sheriff in town around this bitch. And see, this is a spirit right here that ain't afraid of motherfucking dying. We don't die. We multiply. We don't have a problem with motherfucking reproducing. Our DNA is not the motherfucking same. We don't have canine, dog, pig, and shit like that in us. Yeah. You got that to you. And this is moving on. Yeah. Something being given to you that was rightfully yours all the time. It's being given to you. And it's coming from multiple angles. And I told you, it's a transfer of wealth going on right now. Pay attention. Pay attention. Don't go against the grain. Go with the current, boo. Go with the move. Get on code. It's survival of the fittest. And natural selection is being made. Don't hate.